What up, MCG family? This is Calvin with the MuscleCarGang. Guys, I got an exciting video. I had to stop by Revolution Speed because my guy Mike has a Camaro IROC in his possession that he's been holding and that he is going to sell. Now I'm going to take the cover off this Camaro. Now it's a convertible and it's a 6-speed, and they didn't make many like this. So if you are an IROC fan, you will absolutely love this Camaro. So I want you guys to check it out and let me know what you think about it. Let's go. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Here we go. Ooh. Yes, this bad boy is for sale. It is for sale. Let me get this wrap off of it. Let me get the wrap off of it. Look at that. Look at that. A true beauty. Beautiful convertible top. No tears in it. Look like it's been redone, but it looks amazing. Back window looks good. Original tires on it. Rims on it. Only thing that he said he changed is the tires and I believe the battery, but we'll get to under the hood. Let's take a look on the inside. Inside is immaculate. So no tears in the seats. Seats look in very good condition. Very low miles, 25,000 miles on it. Everything in the inside is original. Z28 IROC. Look at it. 5-speed. Asking, I think 38,000 if I'm not mistaken. When I say this thing is immaculate, it's beautiful. See no cracks in the dashboard. I've had one. It was, I think mine was an 87 RS. Power windows, power locks. Let's see what we got here. Wheels are in great shape. No scuffles. He's had this for quite a while now. Step back, take a look at it. Car's a little dirty, but it's already been detailed. Paint job is smooth. Great tires all the way around. Like I said, it is for sale. Let's take a look under the hood. Take a look at that bad boy. Beautiful condition. AC. Tune Sport 5.7. So like I said, if you are a Camaro fan, this baby is beautiful, front to back. She is a true gem. She's been sitting in here, she's been looking for a new home. So if you are watching this video and you are part of the MCG community, You know where to find me. Proper badging down there. Oh, this is sweet. So let me know what you think, guys. If you're interested, let me know. Till next time, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button. Let's get this out there. Peace, guys.